Hey everybody, hope you're doing well today. My name is Eric. Thanks for joining us on our channel here. Hit that subscribe button, become a community member to learn about dedicated servers and a lot of stuff. We do a lot of various stuff, video gaming, board gaming, and more. But today we're talking about how to initialize a graphics card through a remote desktop session. So this is kind of a unique situation. This is when you will be remoting into a machine that doesn't have a monitor connected, and it used an emulation service to emulate graphics. But if you're trying to host something on that requires graphics, it doesn't normally work. And so there's various situations I've ran into over the years where I needed to fix this, and there's a way to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it. You do need to be an admin on the server, first things. And then you also need to be able to run the group policy manager. So to do that, when you're on the server like I am here, you want to come down to the bottom, the start bar, or the search bar, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to do GP edit. Okay, just type that in and it should pop up edit group policy. It's what you want. Hit control, hit that. It's going to open a little window here, make it a little bit bigger. It's always small. I don't know why they always do that. And we're going to make it a little bit larger. So this is what you want. Now, to find this policy, we need to navigate to the computer config up here. See where it says computer config? And we're going to go to the administrative templates. And we're going to come down and find the Windows components right here. And it's going to open it up in the second window, so don't get too confused by that. And then once you're over here in the Windows components, you need to find the remote desktop services. These are in alphabetical order, at least they should be by default. So find your remote desktop services right here. Double click on that one. It's going to open you another one here. And now we're looking for remote desktop session host, which is the bottom one for me. And then we're going to go into remote session environment right there. This is where the setting is. You're looking for this use WDDM graphics display driver for remote desktop connections. Now, mine was set, just right click on it and go edit. Mine was set to not configured, but you want it to actually be disabled. So click on disabled, hit OK, and you can read what it does here. And that will make it so it doesn't emulate graphics. It actually forces the video card to kick on even if you don't have a monitor installed, okay? Now you need to restart your computer for this to take effect, okay? So you're gonna have to, obviously restart the remote desktop. Now, when you do this, you're gonna lose connection to the remote desktop while it's restarting. Make sure you do not hit shut down. You want to restart, right? Shut it down, you're gonna have a problem. You're not gonna be able to connect back unless you actually have access to the server, which hopefully you do. But all right, and that should hopefully get that setting switched over for you, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video helped you out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and have yourself a great day.